Andrew from Eau De Cupcakes, and today we have a comeback video for one episode only, so one night only, as Blues Brothers would have had it. So anyway, I bought myself a perfume which I'll unbox momentarily. So I guess for the last, we've not been putting out videos for the last year or so. So I guess I've been trying to use up the bottles that I already have, because I think I had like 100 or 150 or something, and a little bit out of hand, so I thought, you know what, I should be using this stuff up. So that's what I've been doing. So I think over the course of the year, I've used up, I think, 400 or 500 mils of existing perfume I have, which leaves me with I don't know, probably 10-15 litres, probably more, to use up. So anyway, but I still kind of fell off the wagon a little bit and bought 2 perfumes, which I thought didn't really count so much, as they weren't really so expensive and were fairly small containers. So one of them was Euphoria, which is one of my personal favourites, and Drakkar Noir. That was the other purchase I made. So yeah, for I guess last year I was trying to slow down my purchasing, and I think I still managed to buy 10-15 bottles, and I thought, I've not bought anything. And then you look back over the year, it's just like, I'm a lunatic buying so much stuff. But anyway, so today's unboxing shall follow. Anyway, so this is Ici Paris, which I think is a Belgian shop from originally, I think, from Ixels, which is where they have the XS in their name. It's not sponsored, obviously. I mean, if they would want to sponsor me, you know, go for it. But I don't think that's going to happen. Anyway, so I bought from anyway, so I should do the unboxing now. Let's see if we can get this. So obviously, So for the perfumes I have, so then I chose this because I guess it's quite different to everything else that I currently own. So that was why my reasoning behind it. Because I guess if you obviously buy Neroli perfumes or Freshies or whatever, you've already got at least 10 of them. So this was actually different. This was my reasoning behind falling off the wagon and buying another one. Okay. With a recyclable plastic pouch, 1,002 uses. A deflated safety pouch. Okay, I got a Lady Million sample. I've not seen. Oh, this is one of those weird ones, I guess, where you got the sample and you yank it up, and then you I guess you essentially pump it out, which I think I prefer, obviously, the regular sprays where you can not have to use it like origami. It's a little bit more user friendly. I've got a second sample of Coco Mademoiselle, which I think I have. Is it 3 or I have 3 versions of. I have the EDT, EDP, and the Pure Parfum version of Coco Mademoiselle. So I guess I can stick this in my bag for my worldly travels. And the purchase I made, I thought, this, for like one purchase one real purchase for something that doesn't cost 20 euros or less. This was Kayali Lovefest Burning Cherry, which so I don't really know a great deal about the house themselves. I think it's like an influencer brand. It's like semi indie niche / influencer. So you've got like the one person, I guess they promote or organize, I don't know, getting someone to make something for them, and then they promote it. This is my understanding, and I think they're semi clone / or semi inspired brand, kind of a perfumes de Marly brand, where they kind of pick something that's popular and then kind of have their own kind of take on it. So then, for instance, they'll have their version of Spiritus d'Oblivion. So their version of this is kind of like that, but then it's a little bit more vanilla-y. Or then they'll have their version of Hermes Angulé, but then obviously slightly different. As you can see, mine is running low, so I'm going to have to buy another one of those at some point. But this is one of my favourites, so I think I will. This will be worthwhile buying another one of these. But anyway, so for this, it's kind of in the same family as if I try and do an actual opening. So I think it's kind of in the same family as, I guess, Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So I guess like cherry is kind of the note du jour at the moment. So in the past, my previous cherry perfumes have been Pure Havane by Terry Mugler, and this one is actually a Terry Mugler one that they've never released it under the Mugler name, or to my knowledge anyway. And the other one I had was Sweet by Lolita and Pika. So these were the two cherry perfumes that I previously had. So I can try and give you my thoughts. So I think, fuck me, okay. I'd say the packaging is truly shit. Okay, well, the packaging looks nice, but I'd say, yeah, I would say that's problematic, their packaging, for me personally. Anyway, so you have the note, say give you the full experience when it doesn't fall apart. Try and get that. So fall apart. Okay. Okay, so this is their. This is supposed to be the experience, which I imagine obviously when they had it in the presentation room, and the company that had designed the packaging came up with the idea. I'm sure they had practiced it many times to give you a nice experience, which is not what you get if you're just doing it for the first time. I think I tested it in. Oh no, you know that cap. You know, that's right. Yeah, so you can actually hold it by the cap. I was concerned about that because I thought the box I thought would hold itself together, but that was obviously not the case. But the bottle does at least hold by the cap, which is a good thing. So I'll. It's kind of freaked me out a bit with the with the box. So your one purchase of the year and it falls apart. Okay. So the perfume itself, I guess, is it's in the same family as Lost Cherry from Tom Ford, or Sweet by Lolita and Pika. But it's kind of kind of a smoky cherry. Yeah, no, which I got a sample from the shop that I bought it from earlier on. So then, because I think obviously at the moment, then I'd like to test anything a million times before making the commitment of owning yet more crap in my life. And yeah, so I tested this quite a lot beforehand, and then I made the purchase just now. So I don't know, for my money, which was the one purchase I make, not bad stuff. So anyway, so I should hopefully enjoy wearing this. Not have it nothing to do with the box, as that was a disaster. Anyway, so this was a rambling video, and the last you'll see for a little while. Unless I feel inspired to buy something else again, unmissable any day soon. Okay, bye.